Hello everybody. In this video we would like to demonstrate how you can transfer the files, preferences and apps from your old iPhone to the newly bought iPhone 14 series device. So to start off, basically just swipe this little greeting screen upwards. Next, take your old iPhone, old device. Make sure that you brought two phones together, they're close enough. And at your old iPhone, you have to receive this little pop-up window that says that you can set up your new iPhone from here. So basically, if it is not the case, just what you want to do is to bring it a little further, then bring those smartphones closer once again, then lock and unlock the screen. And after that, I'm more than certain that this pop-up window will appear. If again you cannot see it, just do this process that I have just described a few times more. Here, let's tap on the unlock to continue option. Wait until our devices will be connected. Then frame this little sphere with your old iPhone on a new iPhone. Just place it inside this little viewfinder over here. Let me do it so the camera captures it. Great success. Now you can either set up it for yourself using the same Apple ID or create a child account. I'll set up it as the personal device. Next, you gotta enter the passcode of your old iPhone, if you have any, of course. Here, you gotta set up the Face ID. I mean, not have to, of course, but you can do just that if you do not have it already set up at your old device, but I'll just choose to set the Face ID up later. Next, when it comes to getting your data, you have two options to choose from. You can either get it downloaded from the iCloud or directly transfer it from an old phone, which I'll choose as an option myself. Then simply wait until the new device you have will set up an Apple ID, then agree. I mean, firstly, of course, you gotta read them, but then agree on the terms and conditions of Apple. Then we'll wait once again. So basically from here, we'll just make sure that both of our devices will lay close to each other, will be close to each other, and wait until all necessary downloads and configurations will be finished. So as you can see now, we can either customize apps, data and settings preferences, or simply continue. Set up the Apple Pay. Actually, I'll just do it a little later myself. So I'll go for the setup later and wallet option. Here it will, brief us on the cool new features our device has, like emergency SOS call, the new crash detection system with its new sensors and what's not, as well as announce this little upcoming feature of the satellite connectivity. But of course, as far as I know, at the current moment, those features are available in the US and Canada, but Apple plan on implementing it later in other regions as well. So finally, at last, we have came into the step that will start actually transferring data from an old iPhone to the new device we have. So let's just wait until this process will finish. As you can see, apparently I do not have a lot of data, so it didn't took any significant time. But if in your case you have the you have quite a lot of data on your phone and quite a lot of things to transfer, it might take like up to 10, maybe 15 minutes or even more. So next, on your old smartphone, on your old iPhone, you'll get this page that suggests that you remove and erase everything from this phone, since, well, basically every preference, every piece of data has been successfully transferred to your new device. As you can see, it is right now fully set up. We can start using it very easily. So I guess the whole process didn't took long. It was very convenient. It was very user-friendly. So great success, I would suppose. But in here, just choose whether you want to keep your data on an old iPhone or completely erase it and factory reset the device. I'll simply not do that, and just like so, you can transfer the iPhone to an iPhone. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for your attention, thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.